Imagine yourself at the dawn of a personal renaissance, where the seeds of psychic awakening are just beginning to sprout. This awakening is the stirring of a deeper consciousness, a whisper from your soul that there is more to life than what meets the eye. It's about tapping into the ancient knowledge that lies dormant within us all, waiting to be rediscovered. As you stand at the threshold of this vibrant forest path, let the rays of sunlight be a metaphor for the enlightenment that awaits. The journey of awakening starts with a single step, a step into the unknown, guided by the inner light of self-awareness. To embark on this transformative journey, you must first prepare. Gather the essentials: stillness of mind through meditation, clarity of thought through journaling, and an openness of heart to perceive beyond the senses. Imagine these tools as your compass, map, and provisions for a voyage into the uncharted territories of your psyche. This preparation is not just about the physical, but also about setting intentions and creating space for growth. As you collect these items, visualize yourself equipping your soul for a profound expedition, one that will lead you through the depths of your inner landscape to the treasures of insight and wisdom. Success on this path requires a holistic strategy, one that integrates the wisdom of shamanistic practices with the pragmatism of modern living. It's a delicate dance between the ethereal and the everyday, between intuition and action. Envision yourself mastering this dance, moving fluidly between worlds, guided by an internal rhythm that only you can hear. The strategy involves seeing the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing life's synchronicities, and trusting in the flow of the universe. Success here isn't measured by material gains, but by the depth of connection you forge with yourself and the natural world. Goal setting in the realm of spirituality is unique. It's about defining what enlightenment means for you, be it inner peace, heightened intuition, or perhaps an unwavering connection to all living beings. Setting these goals is like plotting a course across the vast ocean of consciousness. Execution, then, is the steady sailing towards these horizons, with patience and perseverance as your constant companions. It's a journey filled with both calm seas and turbulent storms. But with each challenge, you grow stronger and your goals become clearer. Remember, this is not a race, but a pilgrimage of the soul. As you journey, take moments to reflect on the higher self you aspire to be. This is the version of you that is unburdened by doubt and fear, that resonates with the frequency of the universe. Imagine this higher self as a beacon of light, guiding you through the fog of uncertainty. What changes do you notice as you align more with this ideal? How does the world around you respond? This reflection is an act of self-creation, a conscious shaping of your being towards that which you most deeply aspire to become, a being of light, love, and wisdom. Enlightenment is not a destination, but a process, a series of ongoing actions that lead to full awakening. It requires continuous learning, deep self-reflection, and the cultivation of empathy. Picture yourself as a gardener, tending to the garden of your soul, where each action is like watering, pruning, and nurturing the plants within. This constant care brings about the blossoming of consciousness, where each bloom represents a step towards greater understanding and transcendence. Embrace this process with dedication and love, and watch as your garden flourishes, transforming not just yourself, but the very essence of your being.